Yes, yes, front at the back.
You can see with the driver. You can see with the driver.
I know, but they're going out here.
You have to go into the other side.
Through there.
Do you guys want to hop in front of mine?
Are you guys okay to go in with
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Thank you. Yeah. Alright.
Do you know what I mean? Okay, we go. No. The other end, the driver's seat is on this side, not the other side.
Carry on the other side.
The other side, the other side. Okay, you can sit beside Auntie Julie. Go. Let's go in.
You don't need to put your seatbelt on. I drive nice and slow.
Is it fully closed?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you don't need your seatbelt.
Don't it.
We drive slow.
Oh, Joshua is sitting beside the driver.
Not very often you get the front seat, I bet.
Yes, still can't sit in front.
Here we go.
Now when my cows are having their calves, we usually like them to be in these front paddocks opposite the houses so we can keep an eye on them. One of the things that I learned is that when a calf is born, you need to make sure it stands and feeds within the first 2 hours of being born. So you need to know what time the calf's born. Often they will have their calves at night time. So you finish your day's work, you see a cow go into labour. So then when it has its calf, it doesn't stand near the fence. It's either halfway on the paddock or on the other side. So you have to go in there at night time with a torch, wait for that calf to be born, and then you're there for another 2 hours waiting to make sure it stands and feeds. Otherwise you've got to get in and help. So my awkward situation is I'm standing there with a torch at night time surrounded by cows that want to get brushed. So it becomes a bit nerve-wracking after a while. So what we did last year is we put in 2 smaller paddocks down there. We put in a shelter. My cattle yards were all at the top of the property. We've moved part of it down here. So now if there's a problem, I can deal with everything here. And I don't have to stand in the paddock surrounded by cows that want to get brushed. I can just have them just there. And sometimes you have 2 calves being born in the one night. So it's 2 little paddocks. You can see where the cows have eaten down really well around that tree. So today we'll move the fence and give them a bit more feed. So eventually, I'm not doing the cafe gallery. Eventually we're going to build a little house for my mum and dad. So it'll be wheelchair friendly. They can have a live-in carer. That'll be just down here. And that'll be nice for them. I've got an orchard of about 60 odd fruit trees, various varieties of apples, peaches, plums, cherries, just over there on the right. So Shuna's been great doing lots of pruning for me. So we're going to jump out here and go for a walk through the paddock. And this is the bull and girls just on the left here. We're not going to go in with them though. Alright, so let's jump out and I'll give you combs. So push that forward hard.
Okay.
That's it.
Or use the finger.
Sally, this is her son, Sammy. He sometimes moves away, so you just got to go in slowly.
We'll have to check the water tanks.
Yeah, okay. It looks like we've had all those off, so it's like a drain water tank. So might not have water, any water up there. Water in the banister. Right, so come on through. Yeah.
So that fence around that is electrified, so don't touch that.
Don't touch that wire there. That's my irrigation system. It's to stop them from running. So if someone wants to brush
Girl standing up looking really good. Jasmine, the one lying down, she does move her head a little bit. Just watch her head. She does move her head around. Yeah, so if you stay here and back, another one that's good is the ginger one, the big one lying
我们不可以
down.
放丢，不可以丢在，不可以丢在草。
Ginger, yeah.
brush her. This is Kylie. She's lovely. This is Jazz. You just got to be aware of that's electric there.
Alright. Hello. Do you like it? Oh, underneath.
Under the chin, yes.
Oh.
Hey, Kylie.
But do you want to come also? Where? The chin? You want to comb the chin? Over here? You sure you don't want to comb? You just follow daddy. Follow daddy, mommy. You can see that the The cow is enjoying it. Can I touch the horn?
Yeah.
It's feeling warm. Oh.
Good girl, Kylie.
So you feel that you're putting them when you're touching the horns as well?
So they do feel you touching them, yeah. Good girl.
So are there any like benefits for them when you comb them?
Combing them?
Yeah.
Yeah, getting all this hair off.
Oh.
Because they don't. Just watch out, you got her coming up. She wants you to brush her as well. She wants more people.
Okay.
So if you don't brush them, they get very knotted, and it's sort of like a big mat that sits on them. And then when you got hot weather, it's like having 2 or 3 jumpers on and you can't get off. So you would then need to trim the knots off them.
Oh.
And my big boys, some of my big boys weren't getting brushed, and for 4 years we would have to trim all the knots off them. It would take 2 people 2.5 to 3.5 hours to trim one bloody bit. So, and then we would put the comb on, and then eventually, after 4 years, they ended up going, we actually like this brushing. So then they started letting us brush them. But it was all about building up trust. And that was the hard thing.
Yeah.他讲一直梳它就不会，那它们的毛就不会打结。都不懂还可以梳哪里，它的梳已经梳蛮多了。是梳它的脚。How's it, my friend?
They are like. So they will have
Okay, where do you want it? Here? Over here? That's what Julie was saying. The combing helps in untying the knots. It's like, oops, sorry.
She's welcome.
Yes, where? The head? Do you like the combing the head? Yes, the head.
She likes the neck area.
Neck how here? Do you like it here?
She will turn around for you.
Oh, under the neck. Good girl. Oh yes. Oh. Oh, do you like it at the neck? Oh. 他真的很喜欢脖子。哎呦呦。
Comb your hair nicely.
Yosha, look here. Yes.
Start ready? I will comb you nicely.
I will comb your hair nicely. Careful of the one. Be careful of Chelsea. Hi, Chelsea.
Hi, Chelsea. You get comb well from me?
She was telling me if I lift up my arms, you look like my horn is bigger than theirs. That's why they might not like it.
Daddy, he's behind you. The horn is behind you. Your butt don't face you. You face here, Daddy.
Oh. What's your name?
You can comb the fringe.
Oh, you want the fringe to go? Oh. He's scratching his.
Careful of the horn.
Papa. 你可以拿掉你帽子，没有下雨。
Alright. We might head out here and go and see the next lot. So let's
they don't feel any danger, then they won't attack you. They won't do anything towards you.